Amur Leopard. Discover the elusive Amur Leopard, one of the world's rarest big cats, with fewer than 100 individuals left in the wild. Their survival is crucial for biodiversity. Sumatran Orangutan. Meet the Sumatran Orangutan, a critically endangered species due to habitat loss and poaching. Their protection is vital for the health of Indonesia's forests. African elephant. Learn about the iconic African elephant, facing threats from ivory trade and habitat loss. Their conservation is essential to preserve these magnificent creatures.